Welcome to our full guide on how to remove product tags or features in Instagram. If you have a post with unwanted tags or features and want to delete them, you're in the right place. Let's jump into the steps. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your Android device. Step 2. Navigate to the post that contains the product tag or feature you want to remove. Step 3. Tap on the three dots located in the top right corner. Step 4. Select Edit from the options. Step 5. Tap on the bag icon. Step 6. Next, tap on Tag Products. Step 7. Choose the specific tag or feature that you want to delete. Step 8. Tap on the X located above the tag to remove it. Note, if you want to delete a collection or promotion feature, you can either remove the call to action button from the post or remove the product tags on the post. Step 9. Finally, tap on the tick mark to save the changes. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to effortlessly remove product tags or features from your Instagram posts. We hope this guide has been helpful to you. Now, you can easily remove unwanted tags or features in Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Happy tagging!